You must have heard of Guidedhacking.com or even used it if you have been in the community of game hacking for a while. It has gained quite a reputation for its excellent guides for game hacking. If you did, you must have heard the name Rake at some point. Rake is the official owner of the game hacking forum and has gained quite a reputation for his personality. I have absolutely nothing against Rake on a personal level. I must say that before his forum became a wiki, I even willingly donated to thank him for his excellent content he produced. But in this video, I will analyze the history of this ancient website and of Rake, understanding why guide hacking became what it became. Rake is a 40-year-old American from the USA. He says to have begun game hacking in around 2001 when he was 18 or so. Rake's father was a software developer back in the 1980s, and because of that, Rake says he had access to computers at a very young age, which brewed his passion for computer science. Rake goes on saying he only played video games back then, but when he was around 13 years old, he first encountered the hacking community. He explains that he had a lot of fun with the Windows 95 ping of death exploit. Rake had joined a game hacking community because of the game Unreal Tournament 1999, and he mentions to have learned game hacking from this small community. Guidedhacking.com was founded back in around 2010, and its main difference from other popular forums like Unknown Cheats was that it aimed at really teaching people rather than just feeding pastors. Actually, that became kind of because of Rake. But initially, Rake wasn't the owner of this popular forum. It was instead a person that went by the username Fleep. Fleep made interesting videos, to say the least. I'm not kidding.
Flowers now instead of the hammer.
That's actually the Fleep made.
We've got points. I've added these cool clouds.
Yeah, just
pretty cool actually.
Another world, isn't it?
Basically,
and he later sold the forum to Rake after what Rake describes as, quote, "He quit guide hacking because babysitting our words is not as fun as it may seem. He graduated university, got a girlfriend, got a job, and said F guide hacking and sold it to me. Last I heard, he is a web developer now." There is not much information about Fleep as there is about Rake due to the short time he spent here. Now to the big question, why is guide hacking not what it was? Well, the answer is really simple. Rake was managing a community of degenerate pastors who were tormenting him, and so the decision to switch from a free-to-use forum to a pay-to-access wiki is not surprising at all. There must be other reasons, but that's the most obvious one. Well, it's already the end of this video. Now, this is a special kind of video. It is nothing serious. It's more of entertainment than anything else. If you like this format of video, it's something new I'm trying, just tell me in the comments and I'll try to make more content of this kind. Otherwise, thanks to all my Patreons for supporting me. You can join now. I'm working on new videos for Minecraft J&I stuff because I know a lot of you guys want that. Otherwise, stay healthy and I'll see you in the next one.